Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Harji Creations. In this video I would like to describe a very easy and simple knitting stitch pattern. Friends, this pattern can be used for making any knitting project like sweater, jacket, blanket, baby sweater, etc. It is only 4 rows repeat knitting pattern and stitches needed for cast on are the multiple of 6 plus 4 extra stitches. So let's start the tutorial. Friends, before starting the tutorial, if you really like my video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive the notification of the upcoming video. Friends, please also hit the like button and share my video with your friends in your groups and keep supporting me. Thank you. Friends, for the demonstration, I have cast on 22 stitches on my needle. 18 multiple of 6 plus 4 extra stitches. So let's start the first row of the pattern. Right side, slip the edge stitch. After that, knit all the stitches in the first row. So let's complete this row by knit all the stitches. Second row, wrong side. In starting, purl 4 stitches. 1, then 2, 3 and 4. Purl 4 stitches. After these 4 stitches, our pattern will be start, and the pattern is yarn in back, knit 2 stitches, 1 and 2, purl 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3 and 4. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and repeat pattern is knit 2, purl 4. So one more repeat is yarn in back, knit 2 stitches, 1 and 2, yarn in front, purl 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3 and 4. One more repeat, yarn in back, knit 2 stitches, 1 and 2, yarn in front, purl 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So in this way we will complete our second row. Third row, right side, slip the edge stitch. After that, knit all the stitches in the third row. So let's complete this row by knit all the stitches from here to here. Fourth row, slip the edge stitch. After that, yarn in back, knit 2 stitches, 1 and 2, then yarn in front, purl 1 stitch. After these 4 stitches, slip 1, knit 2 and purl 1. Our pattern will be start, and the pattern is purl 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3, purl 3, yarn in back, knit 2, 1 and 2, yarn in front, purl 1 stitch. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and repeat pattern is purl 3, knit 2, purl 1. So one more repeat is purl 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3, yarn in back, knit 2 stitches, 1 and 2, yarn in front, purl 1 stitch. One more repeat, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 2, 1 2, purl 1. So friends, after the 4 rows, our pattern is ready like this. We will repeat these 4 rows over and over again until the desired length of our pattern. When we repeat these 4 rows, we will get a pattern like this. Friends, I hope you will like my video. Thank you for watching my video and enjoying knitting with us.